Welcome to the OSG Connect login tutorial using the terminal. This method will work on Linux, Mac, and Windows 10 operating system, which is version 18.03 and later. And in order to log into the OSG Connect, we have 3 steps that we are gonna do in this tutorial. Number one would be to create a public and private key pair using the terminal, and for case of Windows it would be using CMD, and then upload the public key to our OSG Connect profile, and then log into the OSG Connect from a terminal or CMD using the ssh command. So for first, let's go to the terminal. And in order to create the key pair, we need to give our SSH directory executable permission, and we can do that using chmod space 700 space tilde /.ssh, and it will give the SSH directory an executable permission. And now we need to create the key. So in order to create the key, we can do that using the ssh-keygen space -t space RSA, then press enter, and it will ask the file name that we want to. If we want to give it our own file name, we can type it over here. For now, the default directory or default file name is fine for us, so we just press enter, and it will ask for a passphrase. Passphrase is a password that we'll use every time we log into OSG Connect. So the whatever passphrase that we are putting in here, you'll always have to remember that. Let's give it a passphrase, press enter, the same one again, and now we can see that the key has been created. And we need to upload the public key to our OSG Connect profile, and we can view the public key using the cat command, cat space tilde /.ssh /id underscore rsa.pub. If we press enter, and we can see that the public key is shown in the terminal. Now we'll just copy the whole public key, and then we'll just go to our OSG Connect profile. So this is my OSG Connect profile. I'm under my profile tab, and in the edit profile section, and you'll see there's a section here that's called SSH public key. So the key that we copied from there, we'll just paste it in here, and then we'll just update our profile. After we have uploaded our key and waited for an hour and two, we should be able to log into OSG Connect. And for that, we need to go back to the terminal. So let's go back, and we can log into the OSG Connect using the ssh command. So we type ssh space our username @ the login node that we have been given access to. For my case, it's login of 5.osgconnect.net, and we press enter. It will ask for the passphrase or the password, so we just give it the passphrase, press enter, and we have successfully logged into the OSG Connect profile. And if we type pwd, we can see that we are under the home directory, and a folder has already been created under our username. And so that's all for today. And for more information and documentation, please visit our support page, that's support.opensciencecredit.org. Thank you.